Welcome to my channel. This is me, Jamie Take and Talk. Today, I am going to talk about banana AI or nano banana. I think all of you know about it. Yeah, it is the thing that creates that our pictures in 3D. But you don't know about the side effects and the dark mind of it. But today I am going to show the what is banana AI and what is the dangerous effects of that AI. Okay, as I gonna start my video, do you want any videos? Please visit my channel and see my new videos. Okay, banana AI. What do you think banana AI or nano banana AI? Do you know who invented banana AI? Some of them say yes, and others say no. But I will say to comment, it is made by the Google AI named Gemini AI, and it is a flash tool and advanced AI to create realistic 3D images by single prompt. Now it is the trending tool to do any work. But many people creating photographs using banana AI. But if they steal your data, what do you wanna do? And this is gonna be the answer for many questions. For example, a person wanted to change his background picture for a realistic picture. When we are interested to it, we will upload our well wishes as our family members, our friends as well as our family members will upload their pictures. Whatever the queue may be, the service can be made for free and we'll take the images and send it to each one of them and say we have gifted to each of them. Wait, stay back. It is not wrong, but if you ask me where it is become wrong, we will give lot of photographs, right? What do you ever think what Google will do? These photographs, when you give useless pictures or when you give lot of photographs, not only Google or AI, all the companies, they will store your data. If I ask there is any change in the fact they will save it. If all of my viewers like my video, please subscribe and comment. That helps me to engage of my audience and subscription growth. Thank you.